Assalamu alaikum. Today is 23 March, and the time is right now 4 p.m. So it's that um, afternoon time. I'm just going to home from my cousin's home right now. So this is the view here. You can see. With my ultra wide camera is not so good, so that's why the picture quality is like that. It's not a fucking beach. Ah, you can see the weather. Weather is really nice, just little bit warm. Also, I got fever for the last maybe 4 days, so maybe that's why I'm really feeling be warm right now. Yeah, that's all. So one thing is what that I have got some issue with my phone, that just when I goes to attend a call, after a few seconds my mic goes shut down like that. You know what, on this current situation, every phone just shows what I am using right now on the screen. It's like shows on the corner, okay, like a right corner on the top or left corner on the top on the phone screen, that you can see that what is using my phone camera or my mic is using or not. That always shows. So while I just make a call on WhatsApp, email, or messenger, like after like 6 to 10 seconds later, my mic goes shut down. Okay, because the other person with whom I'm speaking, that he don't hear me, but on my phone it shows that my mic is working, but I don't know what's going on. If I speak so loudly, then he can listen to this. I don't know what's going on. Last day I just repaired my phone from a local phone repair shop. Maybe they are got some trouble or not, and after all everything is alright. My mic is really working right now, absolutely fine. That's I'm getting the issue while I'm calling. So if anybody knows what's the problem, please let me know how to fix it. That will be very helpful for me. Yeah, thank you. So just look at the view. Okay, you can see that Tesla is coming from the front side. Okay, it's called Tesla. Bangladeshi Tesla is here, and you can see, okay, he is just giving a horn, beep 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 sound. You can hear this. Yeah, it's called Tesla. Okay, in Bangladesh it's a rickshaw, but nowadays everybody calls it's a Tesla. And you can see it's mosque, and it's a abandoned chicken farm. Yeah, chicken farm. It's really now shut down for a long time, and maybe it's doing a reconstruction. Maybe, I don't know, because I don't have enough knowledge about this. Okay, so that's all. Yeah, if anybody knows how to fix that, please let me know. Okay, here you can see on this poly bag my dinner are here is packed. Okay, so that's all. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, one thing is here, you can see that's the banana tree, and here you can see that, yeah, really big things. Yeah, that's all. Here is our mosque. I will pray. Okay, thank you.